Okay, I'm almost done with this FLAC app, Project 2 for CS50 Web, but every problem I solve, I end up with another one. So here's my user's name, and it remembers that in the last room they were in. But even though this used to work, when I put in a name of a new room, let's say coding, it shows over here that I've created and started the coding room, but the room is not added to my list of rooms over here on the left. This is driving me nuts. If I refresh the page, I see the room and it's added to the list. So I don't understand why this is not working. I'm going to add pictures of my code so you all can see what's going on. But every time I start something, I try to pick something else, like I'm trying to do private messages, and that's not working. But the rooms list was working once upon a time, so I don't understand why it's not now. Any help I can get is great.